सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो इस वीडियो में हम एसएससी जीडी कांस्टेबल 2026 के लिए बायोलॉजी से 50 क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जो कि आपके रिवीजन के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होगा। और इसका पीडीएफ आप लोगों को टेलीग्राम चैनल पर मिल जाएगा, तो वीडियो को ज़रूर एंड तक देखना। और चैनल में नए हो तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ठीक है। तो स्टार्ट करें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फ्लूइड पोर्शन ऑफ द साइटोसोल डिवाइड ऑफ एनी सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स प्रेजेंट इन बोथ द प्रोकैरियोटिक एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल इज डैश। Option number A, hyaloplasm. Question number 2. Which species of green algae, commonly known as stonewort, is often mistaken for a plant? Option number A, Kara. Question number 3. Basal bodies and centrioles show nearly the same fine structure. Which of the following statements sets them apart from each other? Centrioles possesses distal appendages, but basal bodies do not carry such thing. Centriole take part in protein synthesis, whereas basal bodies are not involved in this. Basal bodies are protein structure, whereas centriole is not at all proteinaceous. Centriole has membrane, but basal bodies are non-membranous. So the right answer is option number A. Centriole possesses distal appendages, but basal bodies do not carry such things. Question number 4. Name the virus spread by mosquitoes that causes inflammation in the brain. Option number B. Japanese encephalitis. Question number 5. The animal cells are arranged in two embryonic layer and one undifferentiated layer that is called dash. Option number A. Mesoglia. 6. Select the correct option about typhoid fever in human beings. Statement 1. Statement A. Streptococcus pneumonia is a pathogenic bacterium which caused typhoid. Typhoid fever could be confirmed by vital test. Typhoid causes intestinal perforation. Yeah, option number C is the correct answer. Statement B and C are correct. 7. Animals where the fertilization of eggs and the development of the baby up to the fetal stage take place inside the mother's body are known as dash. Option number D, viviparous. Question number 8. The combination of high levels of what type of fats with low HDL cholesterol or high LDL cholesterol levels can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke? The combination of high level of which type of fats? Option number A, triglycerides. 9. Which member of the phylum Porifera is the oldest metazoan group still existing on our planet? Option number B, sponges. Question number 10. Which compound is widely found in coffee and tea that has an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity? Option number D, chlorogenic acid. Question number 11. Select the incorrect statement of the following. Option number A is incorrect. Fat is considered as a good source of energy during the exercise and competition. It is not correct. Otherwise, vitamin A, E, and C acts as antioxidants. Vitamin C facilitates absorption and utilization of iron in the body. Vitamin C plays an important role in collagen synthesis. 12. Which of the following plants is a pteridophyta, which is usually found in the moist, shady places or gardens and on hills where the temperatures are low? Which of the following plants? Option number D, ferns. 13. How does flexibility of the cell membrane help living organisms? How does flexibility of the cell membrane help living organisms? Option number C, absorb food. 14. Select the incorrect statement from the following about mitosis. Option number B, the daughter cell have half the number of chromosomes as mother cell. 15. The psychological state which decreases appetite and indicates the feeling of fullness is known as dash. Feeling of fullness is known as dash. Decreases the appetite. Option number C, satiety. 16. Large deposits of iron in the liver leads to a condition called dash. Option number C, hemosiderosis. 17. If a fish eats a shrimp, the energy gets transferred from dash. If a fish eats shrimp, the energy gets transferred from. Option number C, primary consumer to secondary consumer. 18. Which of the following is the correct match of the following of the column A with column B? Name of the diseases and affected organs: tuberculosis, salivary glands, hepatitis, reproductive tract, gonorrhea, lungs, mumps, liver. Option number C, 1C, tuberculosis, lungs, affected body, hepatitis, liver, and gonorrhea, reproductive tract, and mumps, affected the salivary glands. 19. Which of the following leads to the least chance of obesity in the humans? Option number B, more consumption of green vegetables. 20. Below are few statements about vaccination. Select the correct statements. Statement A. In vaccination, a preparation of antigenic proteins of pathogens or inactivated or weakened pathogens are introduced into the body. Statement B. The vaccine generated memory B and T cells that recognize the pathogens quickly. Select the correct statements. Option number C, both statement A and B are correct. Question number 21. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Option number D, mitochondria lipid metabolism is not correctly matched. 22. While learning to cook, Rajesh noticed that when he crushed a dozen of groundnuts in a grinder, it gets lined with oil, whereas no oil is released when he grinds a bowl of cumin. What could be the reason behind these differences? Option number D. The fat in groundnut releases oil. 23. Organisms, when faced with new circumstances and surroundings, start adapting new characters to fit into their environment. This is termed as dash. Option number D. Behavioral adaptation. 24. The saliva helps in the digestion of food in animals. What does it do? Option number A. Breaks down starch into sugar. 25. Xerophthalmia refers to the sign and symptoms of which sense organ related to vitamin A deficiency. Option number C. Eyes. 26. Which of the following plants can be made to climb walls using special support? Option number D. Pumpkin plant. 27. The process of fixing inorganic CO2 into an organic form is carried out in which of the following phases during photosynthesis? Option number A. Kelvin-Benson cycle. 28. What is the purpose of the Punnett square in genetics? Punnett square. Option number B. Predicting the outcome of genetic crosses. 29. The F2 generation of a monohybrid cross typically shows which phenotypic ratio? Option number B. 3.3:1. 30. Along with CO2, which of the following initiators are essential for light independent reactions during photosynthesis? Option number A. ATP and NADPH. Question number 31. Which of the following groups of organisms exhibit the phenomena of haploid dominant life cycle? Option number B. The fungi. 32. Bamboo exhibits a specific type of leaf venation and root structure. What are the characteristics of these features? Option number B. Parallel venation and fibrous root. 33. What are the different forms of gene called? What are the different forms of a gene called? Option number D. Alleles. Alleles. 34. Which law of Mendel explains the separation of alleles during gamete formation? Option number C. Law of segregation. 35. The part of the pomegranate that is consumed is known as? Option number D. Seed coat. 36. Which of the following statements differentiated bryophytes from algae? Option number D. Bryophytes exhibit the formation of an embryo from the zygote. 37. The stem that undergoes modification becomes flattened and carries chlorophyll to bear the responsibility of photosynthesis instead of leaf is termed as dash. Option number A, cladoid. 38. What is the primary function of the water vascular system in echinoderms such as starfish? Option number C, locomotion and feeding. 39. The modified petiole of acacia species that resembles a leaf blade is termed as dash. Option number B, phyloid. Question number 40. Which class of vertebrates possesses cold-blooded characteristics and scaly skin? Option number A, reptilia. 41. Which cell organelle is responsible for maintaining cell shape and providing structural support? Option number B, cytoskeleton. 42. What is the function of the anaphase telophase transition in mitosis? What is the function of the anaphase telophase transition in mitosis? Option number A, separation of chromatids and reformation of the nuclear envelope. 43. When the kidneys are not able to reabsorb the glucose, then the glucose will be excreted through the urine. This condition is known as. Option number C, glycosuria. 44. The Sattvic diet specifically includes which type of grain? Option number D, red rice and unpolished rice. 45. Which combination of symptoms is the most common characteristics of influenza in humans? Option number A, fever, cough, and body aches. 46. The intermediary that DNA molecules use to communicate with the rest of the cell is dash. Is the dash. Option number C, mRNA. 47. The energy stored in human liver and muscle tissues is mainly in the form of which carbohydrate? Option number A, glycogen. 48. Many plants secrete a sticky milky fluid and use it for their defense mechanisms. This fluid is known as. Option number C, latex. 49. Which of the following thickness sauces and soups due to its ability to absorb water and form a gel? Option number C, starch. 50. Which ions helps chlorophyll to absorb light? Option number B, magnesium. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.